Hello, I'm Sam Orlich, Product Specialist for Heritage Audio in Madrid, Spain, and today we'll be quickly going over the features and the connections of our new interface, the i73 Pro 2. Let's go over the different connections for the i73 Pro 2. Now, the first thing you're going to notice on the front panel are two 1/4-inch jack connections. One is a stereo output for the high-quality headphone output. The other is a mono input for the DI instrument level input. Now things start to get interesting here on the back panel, where we have two multi-inputs here, these combos with the XLR on the outside for the microphone input, and a jack TRS balanced jack, 1/4-inch jack input for the line level signals. Then you also have two 1/4-inch TRS balanced plus 4 dB outputs for your monitors. Then you've got this little connector here for the mini DIN. Now the mini DIN is for this little breakout cable here, which actually gives you 16 channels of inputs and outputs for MIDI use. Right next to that, you've got the standard USB-C connector here to connect up to your computer to transmit the data, all the information. And then directly below that is where the DC input connects, and that you just put a slip in there and twist it so it'll lock in place. And that's for your voltage. Now this is important because you cannot use the USB-C for powering the unit, because these thick, juicy preamps actually require quite a lot of voltage to get the most out of them. Let's go over the different features for the i73 Pro 2. First things we're going to discuss are the volume knobs. The inner knob will control the speakers, your monitors, and this outside ring controls the headphone volume. Okay. These three little buttons, non-latching buttons up top, will control. You can either collapse the image to mono, you can completely silence it with the mute, or you can also reduce it with the dim button. Now, I should mention that these are non-latching because they can either be set here physically with the interface itself or within the mixer software, where you also have the option to activate these buttons. There you also will find the option to assign what these buttons control. Now they can control either just the headphone output, just the monitor outputs, or they can control both of them simultaneously. Directly above that, you'll see the output meter here. Well, actually, this can be assignable as well. It can either meter the input signal or the output signal. And once again, you can assign that within the mixer. There's a little drop-down menu for that. Okay, moving on to these two nice 73 style preamps. Now, you have these little indicators here, depending on which input you choose, whether it be the DI input, the microphone input, these are on combo jacks, or the 1/4-inch line level input, which is plus 4 dB balanced. And depending on where you insert the cable, the connector, one of these will light up, either DI, mic, or line, indicating obviously which one you're using at that given moment. And here you've got the gain control and then an output attenuator as well for each of the two channels. Then you've also got three buttons here. Now these are latching, so you can obviously see there's what state you're in. You've got a pad, which is a minus 20 dB pad to lower the signal. You've got a phase button to switch the phase 180 degrees, as well as the 48V phantom power when you're using condenser microphones. Thanks for watching. If you still have any questions or doubts about this product, feel free to always contact us through our webpage. And remember, there are two other members of this interface family, the i73 Pro 1, our entry-level interface, and the i73 Pro Edge, our flagship model.